They certainly poured their energy into the promotional aspect.
They'll be thrilled to hear it. Let's go.
Greetings. Kyrie, Merc of Junon. And you are? Oh my gosh, Cloud?
Kyrie. What the hell are you doing here?
Just a little business venture? Grandma went off on another one of her tirades. I swore to myself I'd make a killing outside the city so I could rub it in her face. Ugh, I've got it. Why don't you come work for me? I could use another Merc, and you're not half bad.
Not in a million years. And quit calling yourself a Merc. You're giving the real ones a bad name.
What even is a Merc? Nobody really knows. And besides, arguably this whole mess can be laid at your feet, mister. I came all the way out to Junon to strike it rich, but nobody knows we're here, or even that we exist. Zero publicity, which means zero clients. I mean, this is business 101. Since you suck so bad at self-promotion, I had to pick up the slack and come up with an ad campaign. But like, what's your brand? Tall, blonde, and not interested. Sounds like a one-way ticket to bankruptcy to me.
Allergies.
What? Shut up. This thing can talk?
Indeed.
Aww, aren't you just the most adorable boy? Hey, you know, I've always wanted a pet of my own. Come here, come to mama. Yikes. Okay, scratch that. Right. Anyway, as I was saying, I'm putting in all this work for us, yet we haven't managed to bring in a single customer. And if we don't get one really soon, your CEO and PR head is as good as done. But not to worry, I put my creative skills to work and came up with this ditty. Pretty good, right? Folks will be lining up in no time. Wait, monsters? Well, what could have drawn them here?
I'm sure your aggressive advertising has nothing to do with it.
Please, Cloud, you gotta help me! After all, nobody knows how to take down monsters like a Merc.
So hire yourself. You're a pro, aren't you?
Come on, don't be petty. Oh, I'll even give you some of these.
Pass.
Wait, our lives are in as much danger as hers now. We have to fight.
you the pro?
Feeding time.
So long. Break yourself. Be at peace.
Leave him into my loyal support.
Going in. We're all out.
Getting bored and she's continue to have fun out there.
Calling you in. Let's do this.
You're supposed to be good at your job.
You're as good as dead.
I saw you take that hit, you know. And they call you the pro?
Going in. See ya.
There's ought to be easy pickings for a merc like you.
Sorry. Be enough.
Loyal support Nick. Wish I could film this. It would make for a great commercial. I'm in. Okay, tick-tock, tick-tock. And she's not
You're gone. Now you're in for it. You're done.
I saw you take that hit, you
Let's finish this. You're dead.
for a merc like you. Loyal support Nick.
This!
And she's not paying you to have fun out there.
After you.
I got this.
Let's go!
Bingo! Come on, get rid of those things already, would ya? I thought you were supposed to be good at your job. I saw you take that hit, you know. I know why I wasn't getting any customers. Nobody could get past all those uglies.
I'm glad you learned something.
Oh well. Guess I'll just have to close up shop and clear out. Anyway, I'm gonna split, but I'm sure you can take it from here. Catch you later, fellow Merc.
Hey,
Wanna leave with Mama? Come on, you know you do. She's a cooler. Okay, later.
I wouldn't wish her on my worst enemy.
you and me both.
My dudes! I saw the monsters headed your way. I couldn't help but worry. But it looks like I worried for nothing. I should have known Avalanche could hold their own. Out of curiosity, what happened to that merc?
She moved on.
Bummer. Well, guess we should get this place cleaned up. Oh yeah, Rhonda was telling me you do merc work on the side too. For real? I can't believe you didn't say anything. Best buds don't keep secrets, you know. But I hope you'll lend me a hand the next time I need help. Avalanche by day, traveling mercs by night. I don't know how you dudes find the time to do it all.